Good morning children. Today we can continue our chapter 2. In the last class we have learned addition of three numbers, the different number combinations and vertical addition. Our next topic, and we have also learned adding a one digit number to 10 also. So today we are going to learn, that is adding two single digit number and we are getting a two digit number. See children, 7 plus 6. So we want to add 6 to the number 7. So what is it? Take 7 and count 6 more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The number will be 13. So we are adding two single digit number and we are getting a two digit number. So see in the page number 25, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13, and how can we represent 10 and plus form, 10 plus form? How can we represent 13? 13 means what children? 110 plus 3 ones. Correct. 13 means 110 plus 3 ones. So we can also write like this: 110 plus 3 ones gives the number 30. Clear? So we are adding two one digit numbers, 7 plus 6, we will get the number 30, and we are just making that in the form of 10 plus 3. So these are the two combinations, right? Addition combinations of the number 30. Okay? We can just look at another example. 6 plus 6. The number 6 plus a number 6. What it will form? 6 plus 6. From 6 count 6 more numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The number is 12. This two digit number 12 means that 110 plus 2 ones. The number 12 means it is 110 and 2 ones. How can we write that? 110 means 10. Clear? 110 means 10 plus 2 ones. We get the number 12. Clear children? That is, if we are taking two one digit number, we are getting a two digit number, and we can also make that one more addition combination, that is 10 plus 2 equal to 12. So in your text, in the page number 26, there are some exercises. So what you have to do is, you try off your own. We can just discuss that in the interaction session. Okay. Next is addition of one digit number to a two digit number. What will happen if we are adding a one digit number to a two digit number? Consider one example, 11. Take one example, the number 11, and we are going to add 4. This is a two digit number. This is a one digit number. So what will happen if a two digit number is added to a one digit number? So we can just write it in the form of a vertical addition. Vertical addition means that first this number should come first. 11 plus this 4 will come, this 4 ones will come here, and what it will come children? The number 11 plus 4 more numbers forward. First count the ones place. What it is? 5, and one more number here, the number is 50. So 11 plus 4 means that from 11 we have to count 4 more numbers forward. So after 11, what is the number? 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 11 plus 4 equal to what children? The number 50. Clear? So I'll show you one more example. 15 writing them in the form of the vertical addition, first write 15 and write this 2 here, 2 ones here. Adding that 5 plus 2 is after 5, 6, 7. 7 and writing this 1 down, we get the number 17. And from 15, when we count 2 numbers forward, the number after 15 is 16, 17. So the number is 17. Clear? So on the page number 26, you are having some more exercises. Please try doing of your own. Next, addition. Next our topic is addition using number line. In the last interaction session, we have learned how to draw the number lines when we are adding the numbers. Right? Similarly, here also we are using the same number line and we are adding the numbers. So this is the number line for the numbers up to 15. So I'll just show you one example. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. So what we have done, children? First we have to take the number 7 and we have to count 3 numbers forward. How we have drawn in the last class? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So what we get, children? 7. Moving 3 numbers forward, what number we get? We get the number 10. We get the number 10. Clear? Next, take one example. 10 plus 2. Our number is 10 plus 2. So from where we have to start? We have to start from the number 10. We have to start from the number 10 and we have to count 2 numbers forward. So let's start drawing. 1. From 10, 1, 2. So when we count 2 numbers forward, what number we get, children? Yes, it is 12. So the number is 12. This is what? The same thing that we have discussed in our interaction session. That is in the number line, how we can do the addition. So based on that, on page number 27, you are having some exercises. We can discuss that in our interaction session. So next is abacus. How can we add the numbers using abacus? How can we add the numbers using abacus? So let's take the number 11. What does this number 11 means, children? 11 means it is 1, 10 and 1 ones. Right. It is having 1, 10 and 1. Okay. So we want to add 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6. So 11 we have already split it in this form. 1, 10 and 1 ones. Okay. So let's draw the abacus. Here tens place, here ones place. Okay. So what we have to do is taking the number 10 and drawing it here, taking the number of ones and drawing it here. Okay, how can we represent 10, children? 1 bead on the tens place, which means that we are having 1 10 and 1 1. 1 1 also we have to draw here, and we want to add 6 more ones. 11 plus 6. 6 ones, right? 6 means 6 ones, right? So we have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in the 11 we have split it in the form of 1 10 and 1 ones plus this 6 ones also we are adding here. So count the number of beads, children. 1 10 and how many total number of beads in the ones place? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the number is 70. The number is 70. Similarly, that is 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5. So in adding numbers using abacus, first we have to split this number 12 to 110 plus 2 1. Clear children? 12 can be written as 110 and 2 ones. That is 10 plus 2 is 12, right? 10 plus 2 is 12, right? So we are writing the 12 in the form 110 and 2 ones. So what we have to do? We have 110 here. So we have to put 1 bead in the abacus. 110 here. So we have to put 110 in the abacus. Next, how many ones are there in 12? 2 ones. So 2 ones are there. So 2 beads in the ones place. Next, the number. So this is what children? 110 plus 2 ones, 12. What we have to do? 12 is to be added with the number 5. 12 plus 5. 5 means what? 5 means what children? 5 means 5 ones, right? So we are having another 5 ones. So this 5 ones should be also included here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? First split the 12 into 110 and 2 ones. Here we are having 110. Write this 10 in the tens place of the abacus. Next take how many ones are there in 12? 2 ones. First draw that 2 ones here. Now the number 12 is okay. Next take 5 ones. That is 12 plus 5, right? 12 plus 5. 5 means 5 ones. So add 5 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So we can write 110 and how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? 7. So 110 plus 7 ones. What is the number? 17. What is the number children? How many 10 are there? 1, 10 and 7 ones. We'll get what? The number 17. So this is about our abacus. Next I'll explain one more example. One more example I will explain. The number 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1. First write the number 15 plus 1. 15 means what? First take the number 15. 15 means what children? 15 means 110 plus 5 ones. Right? 110 plus 5 ones. Which means that what? 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. That is what this 10 ones and 5 ones means. So first we have to draw the 15 number here. First draw 110. We are having 110 here. Draw this 110 here. Next how many ones are there? 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones are there. So this is number 15. With 15 what we have to add? 1. 1 means what? 1 ones. So where we have to draw this 1 in the ones place. Clear? So now count the numbers. 110 is there. 110 plus how many ones please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So 110 plus 6 ones gives the number 16. So 15 plus 1 equal to 60. Okay. That is about addition on abacus. Next, the last topic of our chapter 2 is addition stories. Addition stories is nothing but the practical applications of the addition. That is, Akshay has 2 books and Raju has 1 book. So they are asking how many books they are having in total. That is, Akshay have 2 books, Raju have 1 book. So totally how many books will be there? 2 books plus 1 more books, 3 books. Clear for you? So in the exercise, there are 9 birds sitting in the branch. There are 9 birds sitting in the branch. There is a branch children in that 9 birds are sitting. 9 birds are sitting in the branch of the tree, and 3 more birds came. Okay, so what it will come? 3 more birds are adding. Okay, already there are 9 birds and extra 3 birds are coming. So in total how much? 9, 10, 11, 12. From take 9, take the number 9 and count 3 numbers. So after 9, 10, 11, 12. So the number is 12. So similarly you are having 2 more questions. Please try doing of your own. So that is the end of our chapter 2. All the details regarding the chapter 2 and notes will be given later, and we can meet in the interaction session. Thank you.